It's a wonderful day for us, an event that we all have been looking forward to for the last 6 months. As you know, today we are going to have the inaugural ceremony of the Nitte Kobayashi Center of Excellence, which is a joint initiative of the Nitte Group in India and also the Kobayashi Create Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, this Center of Excellence is aimed at providing a base for Kobayashi Create to look at our talent, that is providing internship and placements to our students, conduct collaborative research, and also help Kobayashi Create in exploring the possibilities of strengthening their India operations. As a first step in this partnership, Kobayashi intends to undertake a joint research to understand the Indian markets for Kobayashi products. For this purpose, a team would start working from Justice K. Sigde Institute of Management under the leadership of Professor Shankaran and Professor Sudhirya. We have the senior administrators of the Nitte Group and also the senior management team from the Kobayashi Create. Tomonori Kobayashi-san, who is the president of Kobayashi Create himself, is there. Kobayashi Create, as possibly many of you might know, manufactures paper and related products. The company is a global player in manufacturing and selling business forms, general use forms, recording paper, labels, and other products which are used in business, IT printing, and the health sciences areas. Kobayashi Create also offers form processing, soft systems, and equipment maintenance and information technology solutions. They are one of the leading players, and during our visit to Japan in November 2019, we had the pleasure of meeting the representatives of Kobayashi Create, especially Suzuki-san and his colleague, and later President Kobayashi-san himself came over to Nitte, and we had several interactive meetings here at Nitte. So to the entire team at the Kobayashi Create at Tokyo, I wish to extend a very warm welcome. When we discussed about this possibility, our Chancellor, Sri N.V. Hegde, was very, very excited, and he was also waiting for this day. Chancellor Hegde is the president of Nitte Education Trust, which has promoted the Nitte University, which is one of the top 100 universities of this country. Ladies and gentlemen, you may be aware that he is also the chairman of the Lamina Group of companies. And if Nitte has made a global impact in higher education and also in industrial activity, I'm talking of the Lamina Group of companies, which he is the chairman. I must say here that it is the patience, perseverance, and hard work of Sri N. Hegde, our chancellor, that has ensured that the Nitte Group has made a name for itself in the global market today. To you, sir, I extend a very warm welcome to this program. We also have with us, we have given a lot of importance to this program, and all our senior administrators at the university and Nitte Education Trust are participating in this program. Especially, I must mention Dr. Shantaram Shetty, who is the Pro-Chancellor of the university, and also he was earlier the Vice Chancellor and Dean of our medical college and well-known orthopedic surgeon. To you, sir, Dr. Shantaram Shetty, I extend a very warm welcome. Similarly, we have another very important person here, our another Pro-Chancellor Administration, Mr. Vishal Hegde. Personally, he has taken a lot of interest in this project. He was supposed to come to Japan, and he has promised to visit Japan after signing of this MOU, and once this activity takes off. He's also a trustee, and then he's the director in Lamina Group of companies, and above all, a very fine human being who understands the significance of partnerships between the industry and academia. And to you, Vishal, I extend a very warm welcome. We also have with us our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Satish Kumar Bhandari. By training, he is an ENT surgeon. Of late, his qualification is being an able administrator, and he has ensured that nearly 25 universities we have tied up with academic collaborations. This is a new chapter wherein we are trying to have meaningful collaboration with Japanese industries. And to you, Dr. Satish Kumar Bhandari, extend a very warm welcome. Similarly, we'll also find Mr. Rajendra, who is the finance director at the university and also NITE Education Trust, our backbone in many of our initiatives. Mr. Rajendra has also joined us. I extend him a very warm welcome. My colleague, Dr. Alka Kulkarni, registrar, she is the one who is going to ensure that whatever we plan is going to be properly implemented. To you, a very warm welcome, Dr. Alka. We are all sitting in 3 different locations. One, we are all in Mangalore, and our colleagues at NITE, the Center of Excellence, and you find that Professor Niranjan Chiplunkar, the principal of the college, and then Dr. N. Parameswaran, who had come to Japan to have the initial discussions, and Dr. Sudhir Yam, who is going to play an important role, and then the vice principals, and Professor Yogi Shekde, and many other colleagues of NITE who are going to play an important role in ensuring that the Center of Excellence contributes to the purpose for which it is being established are all there. To all of you, dear friends, I extend a very warm welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, on a normal day, this would have been a very important event. Possibly, Kobayashi-san would have invited, along with his colleagues, would have invited him to NITE, but because of the COVID-19 situation, it is not possible. And therefore, what we are going to do now is, they would be in a position to witness the inauguration. Symbolically, I'll request now our colleagues at NITE to cut the ribbon for the newly set up office and declare that this center is open. May I request Professor Shankaran, Professor Chiplunkar, and all other colleagues to do this honor for us, please. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Kobayashi and NITE have come together. Our Honorable Chancellor, Sri N.V. Hegde, is very proud of this association. And he is telling me that in our initiative to bring Japanese companies and our university together, NITE Kobayashi Center is the first center that we are establishing. Sir, this is a very momentous occasion. With your blessings, we are quite confident that many more Japanese companies will come to our campuses. With that hope, may I now request you to kindly give your inaugural address.
Personal good wishes to Mr. Kobayashi, and I'm grateful to Hari Krishna Bhatt for providing us the opportunity to know many people in Japan. It's very unfortunate that because of COVID-19, our people are not able to celebrate this function either at NITE or any place of Kobayashi's choice. To me, as Dr. Murtha said, it's a very special occasion. Special occasion because it opens opportunity for large number of students to get into association with the Japanese industry, and Kobayashi is a representative of that activity. I understand that they have quite a few number of marketable products for which we can find market in India, and in about 6 months' time, I'm sure our people will be able to provide some good news to Kobayashi to have some association in India. The main purpose of any education institution is research and exposure to marketing. And I'm sure the Japanese, with their expertise, they'll be able to handhold us, help our students to do some research in the area of marketing, and also try to know what is the secret of Japanese success in providing high quality products all over the world. Unfortunately, in India today, the most driving force for marketing is the price. I also know that the quality is much more important than the price. And I'm sure our people will do a good job in convincing people to use the Japanese product, which are high quality. And obviously, at the end of the day, they will be the gainers. I had the privilege of seeing Mr. Kobayashi, I think, during his last visit to India. Uh, Sir, I would like to tell you that we are very serious that this association must flourish. Today, we may have a small group of people who are driving this exercise. But what is important is it should not be a 6 months exercise. It should last, and we should never say sayonara for this exercise. I'm sure Mr. Kobayashi's good wishes and my colleagues' hard work will, end of the day, will see that our association flourishes into a long-term research and business association. Mr. Kobayashi, I would like to assure you that we are not looking at this as a one-time exercise wherein we get ourselves introduced to a very well-known company in Japan. We have some association in Japan, and most of the credit goes to Mr. Harikrishna. But I'm part of NIT Education Trust and NIT Deal University. I assure you that our people are looking forward to learn from you and have a very, very fruitful association with your group. And in the long run, I'm sure maybe after a year or two, this association will fructify into a great association with an Indian company and a Japanese established research group. Mr. Kobayashi and your colleagues, I would like to tell you that we are very serious that this association must flourish. This association must open opportunity for a large number of our students. We have 2 engineering colleges sending out almost 2,000 students every year, and large number of postgraduate students also are sent from these institutions. And I wish with your good wishes and the association, your association with us will open opportunity for our students to come there, largely for research exposure and, if possible, in smaller numbers, job opportunities. I understand from my colleagues that about 10, 11 people are already working, and I wish this number to increase with passage of time. I would like to tell you one thing. I had an initial talk with the Pro-Chancellor. He said one of the areas which we have to overcome is the quality part of it, which you offer, which all of us all over the world know that your product has a great quality. But then the other factor is related to the pricing. I personally feel a high quality product must have a higher price. And I'm sure with passage of time, we will be able to convince the prospective users that buying your product is in their own interest, and it will also open opportunity for the Indian medical industry and other industries to use your products. Sir, in conclusion, I would like to assure you that this is not an exercise to come to know you. This is an exercise wherein we can develop close, fruitful association between our 2 companies, irrespective of the financial part of it. I assure you, I'm part of NIT Education Trust and NIT Deal University, that we will do our very best to ensure that this association develops into a great association between an educational group and a research and a marketing company. I am sure today, being the 29th of September, is a red letter day for both of us. It also happens to be the time when we are supposed to have the general body of our company, when we are going to declare the results of our company for the last financial year. And I thank Mr. Kobayashi for participating in this function. I know, sir, Mr. Vishal, they told me that you have many commitments today. I am sure the fact that you have participated in this function shows your interest to develop our association from strength to strength. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir. As an educationist and industrialist, you appreciate the significance of industry-academia collaboration. And I'm quite confident that with your support and guidance, Nittei Kobayashi Center of Excellence would work towards this end, and it would contribute to the overall development of our group and the Engineering and Management Institute in particular. Now we are all eager to listen to our chief guest, Tomonori Kobayashi-san, the president of Kobayashi Create, who has taken special interest in this association and collaboration. And I request Kobayashi-san to deliver the chief guest address.
Thank you very much for invited for this online ceremony. And looks like all of you looks like you're happy, and that's nice. So anyway, I'm very happy to be here. And today we're just going to start the new this project, and with Nittei University in India. And in this year, we hired two ladies from the Nittei University, but unfortunately, in this situation, so from the coronavirus, so we can't have these two girls. But well, anyway, we're waiting for her. So in this project, so make some new idea and also the new technology in the future, maybe for us and also the university as well, and also the marketing groups, so could help to success in this project. So anyway, just enjoy this new project, and I hope we could create something new product for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your very brief but very powerful, words. Thank you. May I now request Professor Shankaran to tell a little about the center and also propose vote of thanks.
The student who's going to join Kobayashi.
Oh, good.
Yeah, present her with something. So here we have with Sharon Jen San. So on behalf of Kobayashi, I'm handing over this to Sharon. Yeah, and one more graduate, Ankita. She could not make it. Maybe this afternoon she'll be coming here. We'll be handing over her the items that we have received from you to her later. Thank you very much.
It's indeed my privilege to present a vote of thanks for this wonderful event. The team from Japan, Mr. Tomonori Kobayashi, his colleague Mr. Suzuki, Mr. Harikrishna Bhatt, all the other team members from Japan, and also our distinguished Chancellor, Dr. Shantaram Shetty, Vishal Hegde, Satish Kumar Bhandari, Muditaya, all the names that I see over here, Professor Alka Kulkarni, all my colleagues here, Dr. Chanunkar, Professor Yogesh Hegde, and all the team members over here. We are indeed privileged to be here today, and we look forward to this association. In the last few years, there has been a lot of clamor in Indian education to be really coordinating our activities along with the industry. And what could be better than having a Japanese company? We all admire Japanese companies. We are somewhere placed between Japan and the United States, so we try to take the best from these two countries. So we all have great lessons that are taught in the classroom, particularly when it comes to quality. And there is nothing better than having you right here in the campus. And we look forward to this wonderful opportunity. And I can assure you that whatever we take up will be done in the most professional way. We look forward to having a very, very proactive and effective association with the company, so that at the end of the stated period, we do indeed have these wonderful products that you have for the market available to the Indian market too. I just want to say a big thank you to our group over here, the group in Japan, and we have already started the work, and we hope to also involve all our colleagues over here, the students, and it's indeed very, very nice to have two of our students from our group joining your company. We look forward to having more people associated in whatever way, research or employment and so on and so forth. Thank you very much, and hearty namaste to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Shankaran. Now, finally, I wish to say arigato gozaimashita to all our friends at Japan, and thank you to Honorable Chancellor, Honorable Pro-Chancellors, Vice-Chancellor, and all our colleagues, and all those who have made this event possible. And most importantly, this newly born Center of Excellence, the first of its kind from Japan, requires all your support, with the hope that when we look back at this center after maybe 5 years or 10 years, we will all feel proud of the path trodden by us as far as this center is concerned. In that direction, let's all work together, seeking all your cooperation. I'll sign off from this event. Thank you once again to all of you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.